Today in this video we will show you a step-by-step guide on how to connect Etoro to Metatrader 4. The integration with Etoro. Etoro, one of the top brokers in the US, now supports both Metatrader 4, MT4, and Metatrader 5, MT5, but you can only use one at a time. You can trade manually or automatically using indicators or expert advisors. I demonstrated signals from both MT4 and MT5. Manual trades are easy to place, and you can also use martingale strategies if you want, either on the next expiry, next signal, or next signal global. If a trade loses, the martingale option automatically opens the next trade based on your chosen setting. You can control the number of martingale steps, the coefficient, and set your desired profit and loss percentages easily. If using indicators, simply enter the indicator file name and signal name to automate your trades. The platform shows real-time profit and loss, and everything syncs with your Etoro account. You can customize the display columns, set sound alerts for wins, losses, and ties, and use the features video for a deeper walkthrough. Overall, it's a simple, effective way to connect Etoro with MT4 for smarter, easier trading. Thanks for watching.